Okay, so guys, first take an A4 size paper and then just follow the steps that I'm doing. We're gonna first fold it in half, okay, as you're seeing right now. Alright, do it along with me, that will be much easy. Okay, and now we're gonna cut this from the middle so that we can have equal halves, and we're just gonna use this one that I'm using, and then again half it up. Alright, but you also have to use the second one too, alright, the second paper. With that, you're gonna have these 4 strips that you have seen. We're gonna use all these 4 strips. We're just keeping the 3 aside, and we're gonna work on this one. Alright, I have zoomed it so that you can see that more easily. Okay, and I'm just speeding it up so that you don't get bored and the video doesn't get that much longer. And then again half it up. So you see, we took 2 creases on one side, not on the other side. Okay, and now let's just fold it in right angle triangle manner, just like I'm folding, so that we get a cone shape from one end. This looks similar when you like make a plane too, so this might look same. And now very carefully and precisely you have to set the crease again. Now we're gonna work on the back side of it. Again, fold it as I am folding. Okay, watch carefully so that you can get each and every step. You don't make a mistake. And then again, I hope you all are seeing this, right? Because I'm not zooming in that much. This end is pretty difficult. You have to be, good at this. You have to do it delicately. And then now take this end and fold it again. In origami, it's all about folding. You have to be good in folding. You have to be delicate. You have to be accurate at times, like this part. We are gonna have so many folds in this part. Just see and follow. You can also zoom the video yourself too, Look, so many folds. And now again the last fold for this part. You see this part? You have to fold it. I'm also setting the crease so that it can get much easier. And now fold the ends like this. Concentrate what I'm doing. Fold it exactly like I'm doing. Again, the other one. working on the ends again, and like this we're done with this. Okay, and I made the other 3 beforehand so that the video gets shorter and doesn't take that much time. You'll get bored too. Just concentrate, insert that part inside, and then just lift the upper part and insert this end, yeah, just like this. Yep, like this. And the rest will be done too in the same manner. No changes, nothing else. Like this. I'm inserting this part in that, and then lifting this one and inserting this one into there. And if you hear any noises in the background, do forgive me again. I live in a very busy area. I think I told you that before in my previous video. So yeah, and all this voice stuff is just for you all to understand, and all those young kids that have subscribed to my channel, they can learn each and everything much more easily, get that much more easily. So this voice is for that. Because in my previous video I just added those songs, no voice, no nothing. The people weren't getting anything because the viewers like someone explaining with visuals. I think that is a better approach, so I changed my style, and we're done with this. Okay, same thing, just like you saw in the thumbnail, same thing, we did this right here. I hope you got each and everything, like every part of it. And thank you so much for subscribing. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye.